Got a Whirlpool Super Capacity Plus washer and dryer. And I just want to do a quick video here to show you that everything's working like it should be. Got it going on a super heavy wash normal cycle. Full load of jeans and towels. Got it set to Super Plus, extra rinse off, and just warm water. Excellent condition, inside and out, very clean. What I'm going to do is let it run through its cycle and just kind of show you that it is working the way it's supposed to. Let you listen to that spin cycle, see it's nice and balanced and no weird noises or anything like that, and then we'll move those clothes over to the dryer and let you see that the dryer works the way it should be. Nice strong agitation there. Alright, so we'll come back. Okay, and we are at the end, high spin cycle, and it's getting up to full speed. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. It's not shaking or wobbling or anything like that. No weird noises. Sounds good, it's running good. Show you that that is moving nice and fast. Alright, well we'll let that spin out and we'll move those over to the dryer and show you that the dryer works. Okay, those clothes are done, and always grab a few out of the very bottom. Just make sure that they're nice and light, and they are, and that there's absolutely no excess water in these heavy towels. That will indicate that it's spun at the correct speed and there's no water left over whatsoever. So yes, these are good to go, and we'll get them moved over here in just a sec. I do want to show you that on this dryer it is heating appropriately. Now obviously the colors don't match, but it is the same series dryer, so technically it's a matching set as far as the compatibility. It's the same washer dryer series, but this is a cream color. It's not the almond color, it's actually a cream color, but the dryer itself is very clean, and I'll show you that it is in fact heating. You shoot this in there, plenty of heat coming out of the heating element tube there, and then it of course heats up the inside of the dryer. Get a picture of that for the listing. And we'll move those clothes in there. I want you to hear it with the clothes in, so give me just a second for that. Okay, so I've got the clothes piled in there now, and we'll just push start. As you can see, it sounds great. What you'd want to listen for, any squealing noises or knocking or thumping, and this is very smooth, and as you know, it's heating great. And the purpose of these videos is that you can see what you're spending your money on works like it's supposed to. When you get it home, you plug it in, and everything's gonna work. That's the important thing, and that's what I do. So I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks.